Hi guys, so finally, the moment that you all been waiting for, actually just me. I've been waiting for this for like few weeks, maybe 3 or 4 weeks. I ordered this Nuphy keyboard. So we're gonna do a little unboxing, testing, comparison with my current keyboards that are like Keychron keyboards and the low profile Keychron keyboard. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so far looks pretty nice with damper kit. So the Nuphy Halo75. There you go. There's some stickers on the manual. Cool. It's the keyboard right here. And accessory kit. Okay. Get rid of this box. Cool. Accessory kit. Some testing switches. A white space bar. The USB-C cable. Different color keys. And the tool to remove them. Ooh, nice. Protected with plastic. Oh wow, heavy, really heavy. Wow, like metal. Okay, like metal and plastic in the bottom. Ooh. Fancy. Fancy. This is pretty high. Oh wow. Okay. That noise. Oh wow. So this is the highest level. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I didn't get the wrist rest that they saw with it. I'm not used to it, and this one is almost the same height. And then I don't really use it, so. And then it can be lower here. I think I'm gonna use the high one. But yeah. And then, oh my God. This is next level. I got the linear switches. Yeah, so I got the night breeze switches because they're linear switches. I like linear switches. Oh my God. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, let's connect it. Let's connect. Typing test. Oh, look at those lights. Look at those lights. Look at those beautiful lights. And then on the sides here, lights. I don't know how to change the lights yet. Okay, so typing test. Let's see. Okay, many mistakes, but did you hear that? Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God, this keyboard, heavy. Oh, it's nice. So far, I approve. I love it. Definitely gonna be using it. That noise, wow. Oh, nice. Just great, just great. Okay, let's do now a comparison with the other keyboards. A Keychron, no backlight or anything. Doesn't have the last row. I kinda wanted to have the extra buttons this time. You know what? Like, for some reason, this one like gets my hands tired for some reason. This has red switches, I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, red switches. So this one has red switches. So I don't know if they are like harder to press. That might be the case. So now let's try low profile. This one has some RGB lights. It's pretty nice. Low profile, but I realize I like more of the regular taller keys than the low profile. This one I transitioned from an Apple keyboard to mechanical keyboard, so it was kind of like middle ground, nice middle ground. So let's do the test now. Okay, yeah, this one is just easier and faster to type. Yeah, so this one is just like, I feel because it's low profile, just easier to, and this one to move the fingers and stuff. This one is the low profile brown switches. So nice keyboards, but honestly, so far for the fast testing that I've been doing, this Nuphy, it feels like creamy sounds. That's what I was looking for. I'm not like, I don't think I have the patience to build my own mechanical keyboard, but yes, so far, I mean, I know it has a lot of RGB lights and stuff like that. I need to play with it. So these are the instructions. Halo light settings, backlight settings, side light settings. Okay, so it has several settings. The backlight settings, let's see what that is. Oh yeah, that is cool. Oh, I love that, look at that. And then it has other buttons, let's see, function. Oh, okay, and then side light settings, function. Oh, you see, the sides are changing. Function, this key. Well, okay, cool. So I have to play with it, but so far great. Okay guys, so please subscribe, like, and thanks for watching.